I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking talking avatar today without spending a single dollar on software. We'll cover the entire journey from a simple still image all the way to turning that long clip into perfectly clipped, viral-ready content. If you've been putting this off because you think you need designer skills or complex editing suites, think again. The very first step is designing the unique look and style for your AI face. What you're aiming for here is that one perfect still photograph that encapsulates your desired avatar aesthetic. You don't need to be an expert prompt engineer. Just ask ChatGPT to help you craft a descriptive text-to-image prompt. Describe the hair, age range, lighting, mood, and outfit to get the exact vibe you're after. When it comes to the actual image generation, I lean towards Leonardo.ai because their free plan offers a genuinely useful amount of credits. After signing up, you simply paste that polished prompt directly into the image generator tool. A quick tip is to select a dedicated portrait preset, like Portrait Perfect, on that platform. Always choose the 16:9 aspect ratio up front to avoid awkward cropping later when you upload to YouTube. Stick with medium resolution on the free tier, as the large high-definition options are usually reserved for paying customers. If any part of the resulting image looks subtly strange, like an odd piece of jewelry, don't hesitate to tweak the prompt and re-roll. Spend quality time on this initial image because its overall mood dictates the tone for the entire video series. Once you have that perfect still, the next crucial stage is bringing that static face into subtle, realistic motion. For that gentle head and hand movement, I utilize a tool called Halu to animate the picture. My favorite instruction for Halu is to request the avatar look at the camera with minor head and hand gestures while keeping the camera completely static. Insisting on a static camera is vital because some presets introduce slow, distracting zooms that look very unnatural for a talking head. The generated clip will show your avatar breathing and subtly moving their head, which is great, but the mouth won't match your script yet. That's where the magic of lip sync technology steps in to perfectly align the visuals with your chosen audio track. For the lip syncing step, I turn to Dreamface, where you upload your animated clip. You can then upload your own audio, record directly in the browser, or opt for their built-in text-to-speech engine. If you prioritize the most natural presentation, recording your own voice provides superior results compared to the free TTS options. However, Dreamface excels at the actual lip matching, making even a basic TTS voice look incredibly convincing. Be aware that most free tiers across these tools will apply a visible watermark to your final export. A simple workaround is strategically cropping the video, placing a small overlay sticker, or designing your lower third to cover that area. Congratulations, at this point you officially have a fully animated talking head video ready to go. You could certainly upload a 10-minute continuous take, but modern viewers generally respond better to shorter, punchier segments. This is where the process of content repurposing and smart clipping becomes an absolute game changer for creators. The typical creator's struggle involves recording one long piece, then spending hours manually hunting for those key 30 to 60-second moments. That manual process also forces you to edit, caption, reformat for every aspect ratio, and schedule every single post individually. Vizard solves this entire bottleneck by automating the most tedious and time-consuming parts of content distribution. You feed your complete long-form video into the system, and the AI instantly scans for the highest engagement moments. It then delivers multiple short, ready-to-post clips without you needing to scrub through hours of footage manually. The first key strength is auto-editing viral clips as the AI analyzes energy spikes and natural hooks within the content. Next, the auto-schedule feature allows you to define a posting cadence, and the platform handles distributing content across socials automatically. Finally, the content calendar lets you manage, review, and publish everything consolidated in one single, easy-to-view interface. Compare this to using a tool like CapCut alone, where it's fantastic for manual tweaks, but you still do all the discovery and scheduling yourself. When you combine all four tools, Halu, Dreamface, CapCut, and manual scheduling, the inefficiency really piles up. Vizard consolidates the most repetitive work, discovery, and scheduling into one streamlined, time-saving workflow. This automation doesn't just save you hours, it fundamentally allows your channel to scale much faster than your competitors. For practical use, upload your final lip-synced talking head video and let Vizard generate initial clip suggestions for your review. You have the power to accept, refine the edits, or outright reject any clip suggestion the AI puts forward. Make sure to utilize the automatic captioning tools, as burned-in subtitles are now practically non-negotiable for platform engagement. Exporting is one-click simple, allowing you to generate the correct 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok alongside 16:9 for YouTube. The scheduling feature is perfect for dripping out content consistently over several weeks from just one recording session. When talking about other tools, be transparent about their specific limitations to manage creator expectations accurately. Leonardo offers great free images. They sometimes retain a distinct generative look that you should acknowledge. Halu animates well, but you might find the range of available head movement styles a bit constrained for certain projects. Dreamface's lip sync is stellar, yet the free text-to-speech voice often retains that slightly unnatural, robotic inflection. Vizard isn't a substitute for creative direction, but it completely obliterates the repetitive, momentum-killing tasks. For a repeatable production line, I highly recommend establishing a concise, written workflow checklist for every video. My process starts with drafting a quick script or just a few core bullet points for the main long-form video. Next, I record the audio, making sure to keep my energy high, and embed 2 or 3 clear, quotable soundbite moments. After the audio is set, you move on to generating and exporting that fully animated avatar video from the Motion tool. Then combine the exported avatar video with your final synced audio track to create one master file ready for Vizard. You upload that master file, tell the AI to auto-generate clips, and then skim through to refine any necessary captions or trims. Finally, utilize the scheduling calendar to systematically drip this new content across all your relevant social platforms. This entire workflow transforms a single recording session into what could easily be a month's worth of consistent content. Even when you scale up and hire an editor, this standardized pipeline ensures predictable, high-quality output every time. Let's revisit the reality of free tiers. Expect watermarks or export restrictions unless you are willing to pay for the premium unlocks. If you're just testing the waters to prove a concept, the free combination of these tools is absolutely more than sufficient. If you take away 4 things from this breakdown, remember to invest time in getting that initial avatar look just right. Second, always ensure your animation maintains that static camera view for the most believable lip-syncing performance. Third, prioritize recording clear, human-read audio whenever you have the chance for that final layer of authenticity. And finally, use Vizard specifically to execute the powerful transformation of one long video into a continuous stream of shareable shorts. This entire system is designed to help you build incredible momentum without letting the repetitive editing tasks burn you out. For your convenience, I've dropped links to every single tool mentioned in the description below, so you can replicate this process exactly. If this breakdown provided value, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop any questions in the comments. I personally check those comments to help troubleshoot any issues with prompts, avatar styles, or getting better clip suggestions. Thanks so much for watching this entire guide, and I genuinely look forward to catching you in the very next video.